Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Learn and Grow, where we make even the trickiest tech stuff simple and fun. If you love learning in an easy way, you're in the right place. So today we're diving into Java. What's Java? Well, it's a high level object oriented programming language. Sounds fancy, right? Don't worry, we'll make it simple. High level basically means it's easy for all of us humans to read and understand. Low level, on the other hand, is closer to what computer understands, and that's a bit harder for us. Imagine reading a recipe versus decoding a secret robot instructions. Okay, let's understand what the programming language means. A programming language is just a way to tell computer what to do. Like you can tell Java to add two numbers, show a message on the screen, or even handle a bank account. Okay, this is something like you giving instructions to machines. Next, what is object-oriented programming? That is OOP. Okay, let's talk about object-oriented programming or OOP. So what's that? Basically, it means writing code that focuses on creating objects. These objects can represent real world things and can interact with each other. They have data and behavior. This makes your code organized, reusable, and easy to maintain. I know it still sounds a bit tricky, but let me give you some examples. Think of a car class. A class is like a blueprint, like the design of the car. Now, a car object is an actual car built from that blueprint. You could have a red car or a black car or a blue car. Also, OOP follows some main concepts like class, object, abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. Okay, don't worry, it seems confusing right now. We'll go through each one in future videos with real examples and code. Let's understand little history of Java. So it was invented by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995. The first version of Java came in 1995 and now it is owned by Oracle. Okay, now let's understand some features of Java. So the first one is that it is simple and easy to understand. You know the reason already because Java is simple because it is high level language. So reading and writing is pretty human friendly. The next one is object oriented. Okay. We will understand regarding this a bit more further, but right now what you know is that the object has it is a real-time entity and it has data and behavior. So these objects interact with each other and it makes the code more user friendly. Okay, next is multi-threaded. Multi-threaded simply means that a Java can do multiple tasks at the same time. For example, you could be playing music while downloading a file. It's like pretty efficient. The next one is distributed. So that means it can be used for web applications and then desktop applications and phone applications, etc. Then it is robust and it has um, garbage collection, which means it can allocate and deallocate the memories. Also, it is case sensitive, which means capital is different than small letters. Concept called compile, and interpreter. So here's a fun one. When you write a Java code, it's like very easy to understand, yet it might be a little confusing. So when you write Java code, the compiler first turns it into something called bytecode. Then the JVM, which stands for Java Virtual Machine, interprets it so your computer can run it. Okay, let's understand. So, for example, if you've written a source code or a high level programming some language, and this is saved as a .java file. .java is just an extension. Now, once you pass this source code into a Java compiler, Java C, it converts the high level code into a machine level or a bytecode level or a low level. So this is saved as .class file extension. Now, this code is now passed through JVM. So JVM is a Java virtual machine, which is the heart of Java, and it interprets the code. That is, it finally executes the code. So whatever you write is going to get executed with the help of Java, which makes which takes us to the next point, which is platform independent. Okay, so I just hope it was easy, the compile and interpreter. It was simply think of it like writing a secret message and then decoding it to read it. Yes, let's go further. That is platform independent. Java is a platform independent, meaning you can write your code on Windows and run it on Linux or Mac without changing a thing. The compiled .class file can run anywhere there's a JVM. Pretty cool, right? So write your code once and run it multiple times, run it anywhere. So these were some very important features of Java. But now let's understand the components of Java. There are three components of Java. JDK, that is Java Development Kit. It has entire things that a developer requires. Then we have JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. It is a place where you can run your application. And JVM, we will talk about it ahead in the future videos. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.